How's it going, girls?
Good.
Everything satisfactory?
Yeah.
Okay, all the really new ones have weird names. We have to go by the...
How you guys doing?
Good.
Looks good.
I can find rodeo.
What's the symbol again? Oh, there.
Good job, guys.
NB.
Good work, Gavin. Colby. Focus. Locked in. Locked in. Cool, good work, guys. That group's doing good. Good work.
Oh yeah.
Your ankle? Good job, guys. Doing good, girls. Doing well. Everything good here?
Yep.
How are the Fritos?
Really good.
Really good. Good work, Alex. I think I passed it.
Oh my god. Like, oh wait. Wait, what is yeah, when that's done. Yeah, for now.
Good job, girls.
Get R and R N and O. Does that go under? Yeah, she pretends to. No, not you. You're good. Okay. I'm glad I'm answering. What?
Back row's doing good. Like always. Put the good kids in the back. Hold down the fort. That's good.
I'm doing good. Look at me. Shut up.
Don't tell me.
Look, guys.
Oh, wait. No, it's already right now.
This goes on
Good work, guys. Good work. Getting there.
Oh, it's right here. Oh my word, it's in front of my face.
And then we need
what period is it? They're
It's fine. Not bad.
right here.
Good work, guys. That's the Lancaster, Crusoe's. Right?
Yeah, right.
Number 1.
30.
Oh, I think so. No, it's yellow.
Good job, guys. Good work, girls.
Right here.
Eagles number 1.
no. Yes.
No. What?
Yes. No. Yes.
That's right. She's a Steelers fan. Steelers. That's all right. Steelers are good. They're not the Eagles, but they're okay.
I was over here and I just saw
Working hard over here. Anna, how's this activity?
Horrible.
Horrible. You love it. Good work, girls. Doing good. Doing good. Hey, guys, you're doing good. Any questions, let me know. Just starting out here, looking good. This is a group back here. How's it going?
Great.
Good job. I like it. On task. Always on task.
Yep. Go.
Good. It's a great day.
Great day to have a great day, baby.
It is.
Hey.
Good, Nick. Look at that. Good job, guys. Well done. Is this fun? Oh my goodness. He's a cone head.
Up for a pizza party.
What's that for?
I don't know. I brought him to school today for a pizza party and I had an extra one.
All right. Pizza party.
Yep.
Come on. It's fun.
Pizza.
Good job, guys.
Oh, you already know what it is.
Look at this group. On task. On task. Good job. Yeah. After you do the questions.
Right there.
Good job.
In group 8, we had iron head, so that's electron has 2 while Daniel has 1. So
Yeah.